Hello everyone, I hope you're all enjoying the half term and I hope you all had a great Easter. My name's Eva and this is my unboxing channel. Okay, so it's pretty damn cold today, isn't it, again? It's one of them days where it looks warm but it's actually freezing. Okay, so what have I got for you today? Well, we've got a single swag box from the USA. This is my second box from them. There are two choices of boxes from them. You can get the large one, which is this one. You get between 7, 8, sometimes even 9 items. Or, sorry, I'm just messing with my microphone. Better. Or you can get the smaller box, which will set you at, I think it's about $25. But the good thing is, the shipping to the UK is really, really cheap. They only charge like $7 to ship this box to us. Which, when you think about some other companies who charge kind of $30, $40 just to ship a box like this to us, I think it's quite good value. So, I think it was $46.99 in total, which works out just over £30, I think. And also, there are loads of discounts for this box. They offer 30% off on their website with a code, and if you look around the internet, you can get a lot more other deals for it. You never end up paying the full price. Okay, so in this box there's things such as cosmetics and jewellery and homewares. It's a box for the ladies and you don't have to be single to get this one either. I know it's called single swag. So let's get on with it. Okay, so you get one of these. Again, there's kind of like £15 discount if you get a friend to sign up. $15 even, and about posting the pics on the social media and all that. And then in the back it tells you what I get in the box. So this box has a retail value of $235. Wow. And again, you only pay $40 for it. So kind of shoebox size box, looks like this with tissue paper on, and I'm just going to pull out the first item that I see. So we've got some under eye masks here, and these cost $18. I'll just get one out to show you all if I can. So they're all in these packets like so, but you can clearly see them. And so I'm guessing that you kind of just stick them under your eyes, and they've got like some sort of a liquid moisturiser stuffing. And there's 5 of them. I know they're not cheap, so yeah, we'll use them. I'm pretty sure my teenage daughter will also like to use those. Okay, that's the first item. And then we've got this carrot, broccoli and chia superfood for skin. So a bit of a veggie mix going on here. Oh, and it's one of these posh bottles which I really love. I do like it when it comes in these like dipper bottles. Let's have a sniff. If you can smell any carrots. Actually got a very unusual kind of scent to it. It's kind of like a yellowish oil. It's very light scented. I don't know what there is, kind of like woody. Definitely not red. But yep, there's that one. And that one actually costs $47. That is the most expensive one on here, I think. So yep, $47 for that one, which is more than, well, it's the exact price of the box really, minus $1 or $2. And then we've got a candle. I think it says Sunset Park Herbal Honey. And it's a lovely, lovely candle tin. It smells really nice actually. I'll show you the bottom of it. It's just a warning on the bottom there. And how much is the candle? The candle is $18 for the candle. We've got this big box here, professional ice roller. Oh, okay. It looks like that. What does it do? Enjoy the benefits of professional cold therapy from the comfort of your home or while on the go with this beauty essential. Apply to skin, face, body for best results. Leave it in the freezer. Okay, so I'm guessing it's kind of like It does feel cold, but imagine like leaving it in the freezer, it'll feel much cooler. Guess I can get all my lines out of my head with that one. So there's that. And that one cost, that's $26 for that one. So already we've kind of gone, I think, double the box price with those 4 items. Okay, so we've got a brownie here. Mr. Brownie Rich Moist Fudgy Chocolate Brownie. And that one cost, is it on there? Oh yeah, 2-pack Mr. Brownie for $4. I think I will have those later with my little girl. Okay, still got quite a few more items in here, about 4. We've got some Cuticle Cream, Grapefruit Cassis, guessing that's hands and nails. Yeah, a lush moisturising cuticle cream with antibacterial properties. Leave your skin, oh, it's for skin. Deep hydrating massage lotion to hands and fingers. Yep, so it is for your hands, yep. That one's $22 for that one. Do you like the colour? And then, okay, what's this one? We've got Rosebud Overnight Conditioning Lip Mask. Let's have a look. So yeah, that is that one. Rosebud Lip Mask. Apologies, my camera did go off slightly there. Don't know what happened, but that's a lip mask. So I imagine you just kind of put that on at night and it helps your lips. It says cruelty free and vegan too. But yep, that's that one. I think there's 2 more products left here. So we've got this which says VC on it. So this is like a necklace and it's very pretty, kind of like the crescent moon and the moon. So I think there's like 2 different layers there, maybe more. Let's have a look. That one cost, this cost $52 and it is the Celestial Lariat necklace. It says a versatile silver plated, long layered, easy to wear, stylish look featuring 4 strand layers, the round hammered pennant and the celestial moon. So that must be the round hammer one. And obviously the moon one there. It's quite pretty. It is the sort of thing I'd wear, but if I don't end up wearing it, I will give it away as a gift. And then there's one more item. It's a liquid glow from St. Luke's or Luxie. $24, concentrated cream glow, perfect addition to your beauty routine, and it can be used as a base for foundation, mix with foundation, or use it by itself. Okay, let's have a look. Ooh, okay, so it looks like that, like a shimmery kind of roll of gold in there. And we've got a dipper, just a really cool swab. It's a really nice colour, and that is what it looks like, and like really shimmery like that. That's probably my favourite product at the whole box actually. I do like that. Okay, so that's pretty much everything, and the total box contents, as I said before, is $235. So we've got the brownies, which the box, we've got the glow, what I've just shown you, necklace, the lip stuff, we've got the candle, it smells pretty amazing, and the roller, the cuticle cream, the veggie skin food, and the under eye masks there. So quite a few products this month, and not bad pricing at all. Like I said before, I'll put the details below for you if you want to buy one. Then yep, I'd certainly recommend try and get if you like your beauty and kind of like women's products. And that's all for now from me. Hope you enjoy watching. Please subscribe and like, and bye for now.